Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. And for new viewers, thank you for tuning in. I wanted to come to you all with a lesson on how to do a chain and also how to hold your yarn with your left hand. See that? So I'll tell you a little bit about the chain stitch. It's the beginning of a stitch in your crochet, and almost all of your pieces of your crochet project will start with the length of chain stitches. And to me, I think they resemble V's. Let me show you real quick. 2, 3, 4. And if you look really closely, don't they look like V's? So this is what you're going to learn how to do. Okay, first, we need to start with a slip knot. Okay, now you're going to take your left hand and then you're going to ever so lightly put the yarn in between your fingers. Now there are different ways to actually do it, but I'm just showing you my method. Some people actually put their fingers up, well, their point finger up, and then they actually crochet that way. But I never liked putting my finger up. So take your yarn, wrap it around, and then I take this thumb and rest it on my fingers. See that? And then I'll yarn over. This is what you call yarn over. Yarn over. And you pull through. Yarn over. Pull through. Yarn over. Pull through. Yarn over. Pull through. Sometimes it might get stuck in there in between that V, but don't let that frustrate you. You just have to maneuver the yarn and work it through. Okay, I'm going to take this down and we are going to start from the beginning. Some of you may have already picked it up and some of you may not have. So I am going to do this one more time. Okay. You see how I'm guiding that yarn through my fingers? I take my thumb and hold it, yarn over. See where my thumb is? Holding the bottom. Pull through. Yarn over. Pull through. Yarn over. Pull through. So you got stuck a little bit. Yarn over. Pull through. Yarn over. Pull through. Yarn over. Pull through. So I'm going to count my stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll do one more 7. Yarn over and pull through. And now you've made a chain. Now, I also wanted to let you know that the abbreviation for a chain stitch is CH. Now, I'll get to this later on, but I think this is very important for people that are learning for the first time to know what the acronyms are. There are a lot of acronyms and abbreviations for each one of the stitches. So if you're going to or want to learn how to read a pattern, you need to know what those abbreviations are. So CH is for the chain stitch. Now if you want, I'll go ahead and continue doing some so you all can get a little bit of practice. And then you won't have to keep rewinding. But you can if you want to. But I figure I can do this with you a couple of more times. You see that? It'll become second nature. So one more time. Going to do your slip knot. You put your yarn in between your fingers, then yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. And that's how you make a chain stitch. And you hold the yarn in your hand. So I hope this tutorial has been very helpful for you. I look forward to seeing you in future videos. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And you can hit the subscribe button and tap on that bell so you won't miss another video or another lesson. Have a wonderful day, and God bless you all.